How to find Uber promo code. Now in order to find Uber promo code, you just simply need to open your browser and in there search for coupon follow. And after searching that, this first link of couponfollow.com will appear. Simply open that. After opening coupon follow, you need to hit the search button from the top right side. Tap in there and then you need to search for Uber in here. Simply search for Uber and then there will be a lot of Uber options such as Uber, Uber Eats New Zealand, Uber Eats Australia, and all of those options. Simply select Uber from very top or any other Uber option that you need. Coupon for example, after opening this, you will get a bunch of Uber coupon codes. You need to find out the best coupon code for you, and this is how you can very easily get Uber promo code. I hope this video has been informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.